Welcome to Creative Tien. Today I'm going to hand knit circular gloves and hold it in half so it creates an interesting shape. And we also have the little thumb hole. I see something similar on the internet and I think it's very interesting, so I'm trying to create it. First, I cast on 24 stitches, and I have the regular worsted weight yarn, and I think I can knit in sections. So one side has increased stitch continuously, and when we do several sections, it will be like a circle, and then we can fold it in half. And because I want to create a hole in the center for the thumb, so I'm going to start with a few rows without increase, maybe 2 rows first. And I'm going to use stockinette stitches, so it will be neat on the front side and purl in the back side. So I'll start with 2 rows of the stockinette stitches. If you have smaller hands, you don't need so many stitches because you will be like that. This is half the circle. The second row is the back side, so we'll do purl stitches. Now we are going to do the shaping, and there are many ways to do that. I think I will just start in decrease from the left side. So I have 24 stitches. I can have 12 rows here, so that means there'll be 2 stitches decreased every time. So let me start by knitting. I have the last 4 stitches here. I will knit 2 together and knit 2 together. That's 2 stitches decreased. And I'll continue the back side. It's all purl. And turn around. We'll continue doing that. The last 4 stitches we will knit 2 together and knit 2 together. That's the last 4 stitches. Knit 2 together. Knit 2 together. And I have the decrease all in the front side, and the back side is just purl. So we'll continue doing that, and at the end we'll have like a pie shape. Now we only have 4 stitches left. I will knit 2 together, knit 2 together. So only 2 stitches left. Turn to the back and I will purl those 2. Turn to the front. That's our first wedge, and then I will continue another triangle or the pie shape here, and then third, fourth, fifth, and we'll continue going until it's about a circle, like that. Now I only have 2 stitches. I can just knit those 2 together. Now it completes our first wedge. And then I can pick up the stitches here and repeat the same process. So I pick up 24 stitches, and then I will repeat the same thing. I will knit 2 rows and then continue decreasing, bind off the last 4 stitches by knit 2 together. So since this is the stockinette, I start with the purl row, and then a knit row, and then the purl row in the back. And after this row, we can start decreasing. So the front side, we do the knit. Now it's the last 4 stitches. Do knit 2 together and knit 2 together. So we'll keep doing the same, the wedges, to create all the triangle shape. We try to make a circle. Now I have 7 triangles. You can make 1 more to make it a complete circle, but I think it's better to be a little bit tighter. So we can place it on your hand like that, and the center will be your thumb hole. Basically, we just need to sew up the opening here and knit a few rows for the thumb. You can try with your hand to see which section is best to sew up. I'm going to start a little bit below this line, so the top will be a little bit bigger than just 1 triangle, and it will be the same for the other side. I will sew up from here all the way down until here. I will cover a little bit of this triangle and also sew up this side. So I will cut the yarn and just use a needle to sew up. So you can have the opening on the top or bottom. This is when the opening's in the bottom side, or you can do it this way. So the opening is on the top. I'll double up for the first stitch. And I just go stitch by stitch. There are many different ways to seam up, and just pick whatever you are more familiar with. Now I sew up the side, so now it's a complete circle. And I'm going to pick up stitches here using my circular needle and knit a few rows of stockinette stitches for the thumb hole. I pick up 20 stitches. It depends on the size of your thumb. Just make sure it will fit. And then I'm just going to start knitting plain stockinette stitch for a few rows. So you'll be all neat because it's circular knitting. I have about 8 rows now, and I'm going to bind off. If you want, you can knit a few rows of 1x1 ribbon or 2x2 ribbon, so it has a nice finish. But I kind of like it, just keep it raw and simple. You will roll back a little bit, but that will match our edge here. You will just roll naturally.